welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is a quick one that you can do with your kids or for yourself. I find it therapeutic. But it's a duct tape design of how to upcycle. So I've been using a lot of canned goods for one of my recipes, doing meals. And, I just feel bad throwing them away. Of course, you can always recycle them and get money off it, or you can upcycle them and decorate them. So here's one way you can do to upcycle. It's a duct tape pencil case or pencil holder. And it's really simple to do. All you need is duct tape, scissors, and of course, your imagination. We're gonna turn this can into this. So get your supplies and let's get started. Materials for this one, all you need is one can. This is from, I believe, ravioli, or any canned good. I did spray paint the top because those that you have to open with a can opener, they tend to have a very sharp edge, and they kind of had, before picture, I actually don't have one, but it was like rusty. So I spray painted just the top to conceal it and to give it a more dull top. But ideally, if you can buy the canned goods that have the pull-out tab, that's going to have a nice duller surrounding. But for this one, again, I spray painted it just to dull it out. You're going to need duct tape of your choosing and scissors, and that's all you need. Final product of your duct tape pencil case. It's really quite simple. It did take me a while to do the middle because I'm a little perfectionist, but luckily the cans, if you look they have grooves. So I used one of the grooves as one of my line markers. And of course you can decorate your can any way you like. I just did a color block kind of design. Really simple to make. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah.